Must be how they recycle prisoners.
The Decepticons will pay dearly for this.
Damn. You know it's funny, like, you know they put that there just to make people almost, like, just kill themselves to get that. Alright. Yeah, that's gonna be like an Alcatraz breakout. You can already see it. This is already looking like it. The hell?
Look! There's air raid! In that cell up ahead!
I was wondering when you guys were gonna show up.
We took the extended tour, saw the sights, blasted some bad guys, the usual.
Oh god.
Don't get too cocky. I suspect we aren't alone.
Hey, what was that?
Oh my god, Optimus, your giant ass gun.
Where are the controls to your cell?
You'll have to nullify 2 containment protocols, each with its own switch. Be careful. There may be more of those cloakers in the tunnels.
Hold tight, Air Raid. We'll get you out.
Damn.
It's not cool.
Jesus. See how skinny he is under all that armor? Damn.
The claps are up. Now, to deactivate that shield.
Alright.
We need to recharge!
There they are.
You know, it was a lot quicker when I was rescuing you guys.
Cannon, Air Raid, we're working here.
These guys aren't gonna make it easy for us, are they?
Roger that, Robro.
Robro? Are you serious?
Well, we can't just call you B all the time. That gets boring.
Hey, Sideswipe, let's talk and more shooting. Relax.
Damn it. I got really ballsy right there. Are you fucking kidding me? This is why you can't be ballsy, because of the fact that they do stupid things like this, where they make you redo the fucking thing. Oh my god. Back up.
Very good.
We're doing it, guys.
The claps are up. Now, to deactivate that shield.
Nice shot! Don't try to hide from me!
You goof. That's one of them. I know there's two of them. Yeah. Oh, there is. Unless there is more than like see the other. Yep, there's more. I completely opposite that. Fuck, dude.
You know, it was
All
a lot
right.
quicker when I was rescuing you guys.
Cannon air raid, we're working here.
Weapons too hot. We've been overrun. Fall back.
Holy shit. Holy balls, dude. He hit me hard.
Weapons too hot.
Fucking move, dude. Why are the small guys just... They're such a pain in the ass, man.
Skill does it take to hide?
I can't keep bleeding energon like this.
Now you see me, now you don't. Weapons too
These guys aren't gonna make it easy for us, are they?
Roger that, Robro.
Robro?
Are you serious?
Well, I can't just call you B all the time. That gets boring. Hey, Sideswipe, let's talk and more shooting. Free at last.
Good work, Autobots. We're not finished until every Autobot here is free.
I spied the central control room on my way in. From there, we can override every hard lock in the prison.
Lead the way, Air Raid.
Alright, let's roll. So now we got Air Raid with us. Nice. Drop the elevator in. Nice. Oh shit. I don't know what the hell I was doing there. Uh-oh. I can hit it again.
You sure you know where you're going, Air Raid?
Feel free to venture out on your own, Sideswipe. No one will miss you.
Just ask me. The control room is just up ahead. Weapons over here. Neutralize or energize core!
That did not work.
Decepticons, dead ahead! Nice!
Progress. Oh wow. Another one of these guys already.
There. That console controls every cell in the prison.
Even Zeta Primes.
Well, no. According to this, Zeta's locked down in a maximum security bunker on one of the lower levels.
Let's give the Decepticons something else to think about. It's time to free our Autobot brothers. Who wants to do the honors?
Fine. Come on.
More ammo. Perfect.
Alright. Told you guys, Alcatraz breakout. Let's go.